it's just like this. And here is the image that we're gonna paint. So now we need to open this, you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. But I can tell you so far, I like that it is really padded. I don't have to worry about it being bent or anything like that. They did a really good job at the packaging. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. I've got to show this to you like this. This is so cool. All right, so you open it up and looks so cool. Here is the colors that I'm going to need and the canvas, the brushes. You can add as much as you want to it. You can even get an easel to place it on an easel and paint. I thought this was so cool. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up too, and we're gonna check it out. So I think this is the perfect gift for anybody, for any reason, especially with the holidays coming up. You can see the image has the paint by numbers, and those numbers correlate with the numbers on the paint. Here's a close-up of the canvas and the numbers to give you an idea of what it looks like. The paint is included and it comes with a few brushes as well. You have this that comes with it, and then this is actually labeled underneath here, like they'll say number 1, number 2, number 3. But they also give you this, which I absolutely love, because sometimes I would think you end up taking this out, maybe you do a few and then you don't remember what number. So this actually you can put on the lid. So we are going to do that before we end up getting this stuff mixed up. So this is 1. That is such a good idea. And also there is this chart so you can double check it. And it'll say like 1, 2. We're gonna do this first because I can see me doing that, taking it all out and getting it mixed up. enjoyed this project. It was so relaxing, and I think it turned out beautifully. Even though I didn't always stay perfectly inside the lines, it all came together in the end. I painted for about 45 minutes a day, and it probably took around 3 hours total to finish. Once it was done, I applied a glossy acrylic sealer to protect it and give it that nice finished look. So what do you guys think? I'll leave the link below if you want to try it out yourself. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.